Hi, welcome to my online debate tutorial. Our subject for today is chemistry, and the topic is the first 20 elements of the periodic table, their symbols, and atomic number. When we look at the list of these 20 elements, let's define elements. So, what's an element? An element is a chemical substance. It's a chemical substance that cannot be broken down into other substances. The basic particle that constitutes a chemical element is the atom, and each chemical element is distinguished by the number of protons in the nuclei of its atom, known as its atomic number. So we can say that an atomic number. So we can say an atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, which is characteristic of a chemical element and determines its place in the periodic table. So let's take a look at the elements. Here is a list of the first 20 elements. The first one is hydrogen, the second one is helium, followed by lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, neon, sodium. We have sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, and calcium. These elements are arranged according to their atomic number. And remember, at the beginning, we said an atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. So looking at this here, hydrogen has how many protons? Hydrogen has one proton, and the atomic number is 1. So it has been arranged according to the number of protons, which is the atomic number. So hydrogen has an atomic number of 1, helium has an atomic number of 2, lithium has an atomic number of 3, beryllium has an atomic number of 4, boron has an atomic number of 5, carbon has an atomic number of 6, nitrogen has an atomic number of 7, oxygen has an atomic number of 8, chlorine has an atomic number of 9, neon has an atomic number of 10, the atomic number of sodium is 11, the atomic number of magnesium is 12, that of aluminium is 13, the atomic number of silicon is 14. For phosphorus, the atomic number is 15. That of sulfur is 16. Then the atomic number of chlorine is 17. The atomic number of argon is 18. The atomic number of potassium is 19. And that of calcium, the atomic number of calcium is 20. So here are the symbols under the column for symbols. Hydrogen, the symbol of hydrogen is denoted with H. That's the first letter of the element. The symbol of hydrogen is denoted by the first letter of the element, which is H. So the symbol of hydrogen is H. Then that of helium is denoted by the first and second letter of the element, which is He. The symbol for helium is He. That of lithium is Li. Beryllium is Be. Boron, the symbol for boron is E. The symbol of carbon is C. Symbol of nitrogen, which is denoted by the first letter of the element, is N. That of oxygen is O. Chlorine, the symbol for chlorine is F. The symbol of neon is Ne. Symbol for neon is Ne. That of sodium is Na. Magnesium, the symbol of magnesium is Mg. The symbol for aluminium is Al, denoted by the first and second letter Al. That of silicon is Si. Phosphorus is P. The symbol for phosphorus is P. The symbol of sulfur is S. The symbol for chlorine is Cl. Denoted by the first letter and the third letter. We have Chlorine is CHLORINE. The symbol is Cl. That of argon is Ar. Then the symbol for potassium is K. Is K. Unlike others, symbol for potassium is K. The symbol of potassium is K because it is derived from the medieval Latin name for the element, which is kalium. The Latin name for potassium is kalium. So the symbol K is derived from the Latin name of kalium, which is K. So the symbol for potassium is K. That of calcium is Ca. So that is all for the first 20 elements, that symbols, and atomic number. You kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.